Okay, let's take a look at page 305. Here's the example at the top. It says, in early May, Fairbanks, Alaska has daylight for 18/24 of the day. What are some fractions equivalent to 18/24? To find equivalent fractions, divide the numerator and the denominator by a common factor greater than 1. A common factor is a factor two or more numbers have in common. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that together. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and list common factors. Well, they both have a factor of 2, so 18 can be divided by 2, 24 can be divided by 2. They both have a common factor of 3. Both can be divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6, 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay, and they both have a factor of 6. Are there any others? Let's see. 18 has a factor of 9, but 24 doesn't have that. Okay, so that'll be our factors that they have in common. Okay, so now to find equivalent fractions through division, we're going to divide both of those numbers. So let's start with 2. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. And 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. Okay, so we would say this is an equivalent fraction. Okay, let's do one more together. Let's divide them both by 3. So 18 divided by 3. Oops, let's just redo that here. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. And 24 divided by 3, that's a 3, equals 8. So 6/8 is another equivalent fraction. So what would the equivalent fraction be if we divided both by 6? Do you know the answer? Okay, it would be 3. 24 divided by 6 is 4ths. So there we go. We just did, we found 3 equivalent fractions using division. Okay, so to review, what you have to do is find the common factors that both numbers have in common. It has to be larger than 1, and they have to be common, so they have to be shared amongst both of them. This is why we worked on factors and multiples last week. There was a reason for that. It's leading into what we're doing this week. All right, so hopefully that helps you. We identified 3 different equivalent fractions by using division. All right, I hope that helps.